my channel. I'm here again with Parker.
As always.
In our baby's room again. So this week I thought it would be fun to do husband guesses the price of baby items.
Interesting.
So I have 10 things that we have purchased. Honestly, I wouldn't even really know the prices.
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't really pay attention.
Yeah.
I think that I do have a pretty good understanding of ballpark prices of these things though.
I feel like I honestly wouldn't know that much more about the prices than you. The only reason I would know more is if it's something I specifically like picked out and like ordered, so I know how much it costs.
Did you write down the prices of all these?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What should the rules be? Like, do you have to be on by like $10 or something?
Is there like a, what do you mean?
I don't know, that's like a big range. We'll just see how close you are.
I don't know, I think that if I'm within like $10, that's
But first, what if it's like something small?
Okay, that's a little different because...
We'll just see how close you are.
Yeah, okay.
First item, let's do that.
This? Oh,
First
this
of all,
is, I thought this was like
is?
I thought this was a dress of yours that was just... I'm guessing it's a wrap, like a baby wrap.
I just got this
the other day. This is the one that you pointed out that your friend had the other day at our baby shower, right?
Yeah, this is a Solly baby wrap, so it's really long, and you like wrap it all around yourself, and you can put the baby in it.
All right, well, by the feel of the material, it's really good quality. So I'm gonna guess that this is $79.
Close. 65.
Wow, really? I was pretty close though.
I feel like this is a good item though. Hopefully the baby likes this and we can use it a lot. Next one, let's do that.
The Dock-a-Tot.
Yes. This is like a...
I do remember seeing a price tag or something at Target and being, well, I don't like remember the price, but I remember seeing it and being like, holy crap.
It was expensive?
That was expensive. So I think that this is $2.99.
No. That's pretty off. It's $179.
Oh, dang it. I was going to say $2.50 or
yeah, this one's a little pricier, but everyone is obsessed with these. It's like a little lounger you can like set your baby in. So hopefully she'll love it and it'll be worth it. But yeah, they do have ones on their website that are like printed that are like $2.19 or something, but that one
okay. See, that maybe I saw a $200 one. $2.19 seems like $2.99.
No. Next, let's go something smaller. I was actually kind of surprised at this one.
$2.99.
No, $5.99.
Wow, really?
Which, like, that's not that much, but I thought they would be cheaper.
Yeah.
They're just like little baby socks, but they are like the nice ones that are kind of soft. But I was also thinking like $2.99, and then they were more. Next, let's do this. This is a Boppy.
It's a Boppy. This is the super big neck pillow. And I know regular neck pillows go for pretty pricey, so I'm guessing this is even pricier. I think that this is $39?
No.
Am I high or low?
You're too high.
Really?
Yeah.
$29?
Yep, $29.99.
Well,
so yeah.
Basically. Yeah, well.
So this one's like $30, which I feel like is what I would like think that it is. So you're close.
39 or 49. Yeah, that was pretty close.
Okay, the next one has 2 parts to it. So this is our coming home outfit for our baby. I actually showed these on Instagram and everyone was like, those are so huge. What size are they? But they're newborn size. Hopefully this will fit her, but we'll probably take like another option just to... The pants are like really long.
Those, I guarantee that her legs aren't even going to be as long as that.
Yeah, maybe they're kind of big.
Like this is going to go up over her nose.
I don't know. I'll have like another option too, but as of now...
She's probably going to be as long as these are. That's probably how big she'll be.
Yeah, wait, we should measure those. They say babies are, what's like the average baby? Like 20 inches or something?
I don't know, but that's definitely 20 inches-ish.
Okay, well, this is a potential coming home outfit.
Yeah.
Depending on if it fits her. But it's super soft, cute little PJ set. I thought it'd be comfy for her. So it's this with a little bow. So how much do you think this was?
I thought you said it's 2 in 1, so I'm guessing the whole outfit together, or?
No, the outfit goes together, but you can guess them separate.
I think that this was...
These are a little more than you would think, I feel like.
Maybe, well, now that you say that, I'm gonna go with $35.
So really close. It was 38.
Oh, I was literally...
For a PJ set.
I was gonna say 38, but
really?
I felt like that was too in between, that somebody wouldn't price it like that, you know?
So that's part 1 of the outfit. Part 2, literally the world's cutest bow. Wait, we gotta hold it up so they can see.
That was $15.
Focus. No. Less.
What? $5.
More.
Tell me.
$12.50.
Oh my, $15 was so close.
That was close, but it wasn't right.
I know, but I thought that it was like, I guess, and we see how close I am.
Oh, okay. Well, no. You're close.
I keep guessing until I guess, because $15 was super close.
That was close. Did we already do this one?
No.
The next one is Swaddle Meanie. I've seen people say they really like these, and I've seen people say they've never used these. We're going to keep it packaged up until we like know if we need to use it. But they're swaddles with Velcro on them, so it's just like a really easy way to like swaddle your baby. So I found this 2-pack at Target.
I'm gonna say
it's
$23.
That was so close. It was $24.99.
What? Dang, I was
Really
gonna say
close.
25 too.
Yeah, so it's like about $25 for a pack of 2. Comment down below if you guys have ever used these. Parker thinks that he's not gonna need these because he's gonna be a pro swaddler.
I'm gonna be a pro. I don't know why you think I'm not gonna be.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm just
I
saying.
think I'll be the one teaching you how to do it, to be honest.
Maybe. I feel like
We'll
you would
see.
be more specific about
Yeah,
something
exactly.
like that.
We'll see.
This is the next one.
So this is a breast pump, and on the side I can see that
You can see the price?
No, but I can
Oh.
see that it includes like smart devices. So usually when you involve
Next to
smartphones
your
and
phone.
stuff,
Yeah.
it's expensive.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say, and look at how many things it comes with. Ooh, I don't know. I want to say somewhere above 300.
You gotta guess.
Okay,
Can't
I'm gonna
give
go
you
with
any hints.
350.
Nope.
Too high or
That's
low?
way too high.
Oh, way too high?
Yeah.
I
Like
thought the
more than
breast-
double.
Oh wow.
I think there are
So
something
maybe
different prices,
okay, then
but-
it's Bluetooth. I'm gonna say okay, then 115 bucks.
It's $127.49.
Wow, I
So
thought that these
pricey,
things were
but
expensive,
not,
more
like-
expensive.
There's like different websites. I just looked it up on Target and that was the price for this same one.
Mm.
But yeah, basically like 130-ish
Wow,
dollars.
that's not
So-
quite that bad.
Yeah, not 350.
Yeah, no.
Okay, next pack of diapers.
A pack of diapers is this pack right here is $8.
$8.99.
What? I'm so good. Wow, that was good.
Good job. Yeah, I was thinking because people always talk about how diapers are so expensive, and like this is only 32, so you'd go through them like so fast.
Yeah.
But when I was first looking it up, I was seeing the bigger boxes that were more pricey. So then when I saw the price for that, I was like, oh, that's so cheap. But it's
Yeah.
because it's a small pack compared to a
Yeah.
big one, so it's really not. But
It'll go quick.
that was right on though.
Wow.
Okay, this is the last thing. Oh wait, no, it's second to last.
Here's the second to last thing. It's
Second
called
to last
water
thing.
wipes. The world's purest baby wipes.
Yeah, so these are like, I haven't looked at the prices of other wipes, but I think people say these ones are more expensive.
Oh, why'd you have to tell me that?
Sorry.
You just gave it away.
Well, I thought
I was gonna say, my guess was gonna be, they're like more high quality than the other ones, or they're
Yeah.
like a more specific one, so I'm gonna guess that they're more expensive. I'm gonna say that they're $15
No.
for this pack.
See, that's what I was gonna say is that people talk about how those are more. So when I saw the price, I was expecting them to be more. They're not
Okay.
15. That's way too high.
$3?
$3.99.
Wow! What? I just read your mind.
So I thought that they would I thought they would be more because people are like, oh, I love those ones, but they're like just too so expensive.
Huh?
This is the next one. I can't move it. It's too
Oh, I'll show
heavy.
you.
Can you move it?
Yeah, I'll show you. So
Do
here
you know
it is.
how much it is? Have
I mean,
told you?
yeah, I think you told me yesterday.
Oh, should we do something else?
So this is, yeah, we should do something else. I'm gonna
Oh.
guess anyways because then I'll get one even more right. This is like the, I don't know, a baby rocker
Baby
thing,
seat.
baby chair.
Yeah.
I think I remember Aspyn saying something about it being $350.
I think I was off. I was off. So it's not $350.
Oh, really?
It's $259.
Oh, what?
But I think that
That's
when I
way
was
off.
looking at it, it had like expensive shipping or something, so I thought it
Oh.
was more. But yeah, that one's $259. What would you have guessed if you hadn't seen it?
Yeah, if I
But
were
it's
to
really
see
cute.
it and like in person and like look at it and be like, oh, what's the price tag on this? I would probably guess maybe between 80 and 120 bucks.
Yeah. Anyway, since you kind of knew that one, we're gonna do a bonus item.
A bonus item.
So, okay, this one, what do you think? So these are, hold it up, a
It's
pack of
2
2 bottles.
Bottles. They're like smaller looking nipple bottles, right? They're meant to be more like boobs.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
I'm kind of
But
surprised at the price of this one. I don't know what I thought, but I think that I thought it'd be cheaper.
I think that it's gonna be for a pack of 2, $19.99.
$23.99.
I was
thought
only
it'd be a little
$4
bit
off.
cheaper. No, you were close, but when I saw that, I was like, wait, I thought maybe it'd be a little cheaper.
That is kind of expensive for 2 small bottles. They're not even like
They're
big
not.
ones.
No, they are big.
Oh, they are?
So those are all of our items. I feel like you did pretty good on most of them.
I thought I did too.
So let us know what other videos you guys want to see. I only have like a month left of being pregnant.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's like not that much time for more pregnancy videos. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below. Let us know what else you guys want to see. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.